So a super simple and easy way to legitimize and really professionalize your business online is getting a company branded email address. So if it's adamsmarketingcompany.com as your domain, having an Adam at or info at or any person inside your business at that domain URL, you are automatically going to be looked at by consumers and potential customers and referral partners and just anybody out there as a more legitimate business and more professional business because you have that. Super simple and easy to set up. You can literally get everything from your domain for $12 for the entire year. You can pay as low as $6 a month per email address, and you can literally type in Google G Suite admin setup, something along those lines. There's multiple things you can type in and it will easily pop up. Now, if you want to use Outlook, you can certainly do that. I always recommend Gmail. It's super simple and easy to do, but you would be surprised by how many businesses are still leveraging free Gmail accounts, Yahoo, all of those different directories and online platforms that are out there. And I get it. As you're starting up a business, it's important to keep costs super low. But just at least have one branded company email address for your website, for your Facebook pages, Instagram, all those different things. So people go to your profiles and they see your company online and they're like, wow, these people are taking it serious. And you would be surprised how many customers will literally look at a non-branded or a generic email and be like, they must not have all of their stuff together. Now, in some eyes, consumers might be like, okay, I'm going to go and use them. They're a small business. It's probably also a little bit less expensive, but you don't want to be attracting, if you're watching this video and you're looking to grow, you're not likely wanting to attract the cheap people, the people that are on budgets that are going to ask you for every single sort of discount under the sun. You're wanting to go after the best customers, the ones that have the least headaches for you and your company. And you can start out by doing that by just doing something very simple and getting a company branded email address. I know it might seem super simple. I know it might seem like there's no way people actually care about these things. But I'm here to tell you it's not just me as the marketer, it's a lot of consumers. I had a Gmail account for the first year when I was doing this business as a side hustle. And I was getting that feedback. Hey, and it's a little bit more prevalent in my industry, right? Hey, you're a digital marketer and you're telling us all to go get branded emails, but you're not even getting a branded email yourself. That doesn't actually add up. So I had to legitimize, I had to professionalize. And this was when I was doing little to no revenue. So I had to fork up the money to be able to get that online presence to a little bit more professional situation. So if you have any questions about getting a branded email address, if you need some help, tutorials, things like that, just let me know. Feel free to shoot me a message, leave some comments below, things like that. Again, it's a super simple and easy thing that you can do. It takes literally less than 15 minutes to set up one email address. It's worth it. It's worth the investment. It's worth investing in your company and taking it to the next level. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.